We do have some movers this morning. I know a lot of you guys want to know what Bitcoin is doing. So let's start out with Bitcoin. Bitcoin remains in this channel. Notice the channel here, guys. Now, notice Bitcoin is getting a little bit of an up move today. All right, that's a weak dollar response. That's normal. All right, now my issue here is that number one, we have a defined major top at 25,200 to 300. So that's your line in the sand. As long as that holds, you have to be on the negative side of Bitcoin. It hit resistance. It's pulling back off resistance. The other issue here is take a look at this. Basically, we had the 4 down days in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what's going on here? Let's draw a trend line in and put it in right there. That's a bear flag, an in spirit of bear flag starting to form. So when I see this pattern, what it tells me is that probabilities are now favoring downside on Bitcoin. Even if we get a little bit of a bounce here and there, as long as this pattern holds, essentially as long as price stays inside of this channel, you have to start thinking that Bitcoin has downside. Where's downside going to take you? The low end of the channel would be your first target. That's around 22,400. If you look at a million upsloping channels, you'll see about 80% to 90% of them eventually break to the downside. Could be a month from now, could be 6 months.